Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affairs of the month April 2022 and this is the part 1. This is the part 1. The language of the video will be in English. I will use complete English language while practicing the questions and for which exam these current affairs will be helpful. These current affairs will cover the RIMC exam 100% 100% syllabus of current affairs section of the RIMC exam will be covered through this video. The date of the RIMC exam is 4th June 2022. So around 1 month is there. So and the weightage of the current affair in the RIMC exam is very big. Weightage is very huge. Around 25% questions, around 33% weightage current affair section is there. 25 questions generally come out of 75 questions. So without current affair you cannot crack the individual cutoff, and to pass individual cutoff is not enough. You have to score high. You have to score around 300 plus marks, because the official cutoff has been released. You can check the official cutoff from our videos. You will notice the cutoff is going high day by day. So the competition is increasing in the RIMC exam, since RIMC exam is the most toughest exam. So you have to study, you have to read a lot to crack the current affair. And there is another exam, Rashtriya Military School. The current affairs section in this exam is very good, so you will be benefit from this current affairs to this exam also. And there is a small weightage of current affairs in Sainik School entrance exam, so you can get the benefit from this current affair video in this exam also. This is our official website. You can visit www.geometryschool.in, and these are our products. You can avail live classes, book a demo, hostel facility, recorded lecture, mock test and others. What you have to do, you have to fill up the inquiry form and you have to submit it. Our expert will call you and guide you properly according to your need. We have launched hostel facilities. You can join hostel. This is our classroom, this is bedroom, this is computer lab, playground. Everything you will get in the hostel facilities, because those students who are preparing from their home, sometimes there is a disturbance at home. You don't get proper internet. There is not a cordial environment at home while studying. All of the family members live together, so the environment is not good at home while preparing for some students. So they can avail our hostel facility. At hostel you will get our teacher into 24/7. He will solve your doubt at the spot. And what will you do to know about the hostel facility? You have to dial at this number. You have to dial this number. Our sir will call you and give you the proper information, proper detail about the hostel facilities. How you can join our Telegram group? You have to just scan this QR code through Google Lens. You will automatically be joined to our Telegram group. And how will you avail the live classes? You have to dial this number and join our live classes, RIMC, RMS and Sainik School. First take demo classes, then decide whether these live classes are benefit for you or not. These are our recorded courses. You can avail these courses also. So today I will cover part 1 of the April month current affairs section. So last time I gave you a burning question. What was the burning question? This is the previous year question. Burning question was RIMC June 2021 question. Which of the following instrument is played by Amjad Ali Khan? So the instrument name is Sarod. Today's question number 1. Who was named as the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award for 2021? So the correct answer is Mirabai Chanu. And who is Mirabai Chanu? She is a weightlifter. So most of the time question asks Mirabai Chanu is associated with which sports? She is a weightlifter. Okay, weightlifter. And India's first woman athlete to win a Olympic medal was, what was the name? Karnam Malleshwari. You have to remember this name. Karnam Malleshwari was the first Indian woman athlete to win an Olympic medal. Okay, So the correct answer is option number C. And BBC, what is BBC? British Broadcasting. British Broadcasting. It is a channel like our India has Doordarshan. In the England, in the British, in the England, they have BBC. Which state will host 83rd National Table Tennis Championship 2022? So which state? The state is Meghalaya. The state is Meghalaya. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Meghalaya capital is Shillong, and there is a tribe, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Garo, Khasi and Jaintia are the tribal people of the Meghalayas. And there are some important players who are related, who are associated with table tennis. You have to remember the name. G. Satyan, Manika Batra, and Sarat Kamal. These are three important players. Those are associated with the game of table tennis at present. Because in the game section, most of the time questions are asked, Manika Batra is associated with which sports? So Manika Batra is a table tennis player. Next question. Which two countries conducted Balikatan military exercise? So Balikatan military exercise will be conducted by USA and Philippines. USA and USA's capital is Washington DC. The name of the Washington DC is kept about the first president of USA, that George Washington. The name of Washington DC came from George Washington. Okay, and what is the capital of Philippines? Philippines capital is Manila. Philippines peso is the currency, and Asian Development Bank ADB is headquartered at Philippines. Here as Washington DC, we have World Bank. Okay, we have World Bank. International Monetary Fund and World Bank we have in Washington DC. And USA's currency is dollar. USA currency is dollar. And India has decided to export BrahMos missile to Philippines. BrahMos is a missile developed by India and Russia. So India has decided to export BrahMos missile to Philippines. So these are some important facts that I have told you. And Myanmar capital is Naypyidaw. Kyat, KYAT, Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Next question. What is the new name of Nehru Museum? So the government of India, the Prime Minister has changed the name of Nehru Museum. Now it is named as PM Museum. And in this museum, all the previous 14 Prime Minister achievement will be available in this museum. And Prime Minister inaugurated this museum on 14th April. The birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, father of Indian Constitution. Ambedkar Jayanti, on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, Prime Minister changed the name of this museum. Nehru Museum is now PM Museum. And who was Nehru? Nehru was our first Prime Minister. FIFA World Cup 2022 will be hosted by which country? So the country is Qatar. Qatar capital is Doha. And what is FIFA? FIFA is related to football. Like as BCCI is related to cricket, ICC is related to cricket. In the similar way, FIFA is related to football. And where is the headquarters of FIFA? FIFA is headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. Switzerland is the capital city of Switzerland. Zurich is the city of Switzerland. Argentina, Buenos Aires, capital is currency is peso. Argentina peso. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Yen is the currency. Qatar, Jordan, Amman. Jordan's capital is Amman. Bilateral naval exercise Varun is conducted between India and which country? So Varun is conducted between India and France. Varun is the name of sea. So that's why it is a naval exercise. Now France. And what is the capital of France? France capital is Paris. And in Paris you have the headquarters of UNESCO. In Paris, 2024 Olympics will be held at Paris. You have to remember this important fact. 2024 Olympic will be held at Paris. And Eiffel Tower is in Paris. And currency of the France is euro. Singapore capital is Singapore city, and in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar is the capital. Ulaanbaatar is the capital, and there is a very important desert, that is Gobi Desert in Mongolia and China. You have to remember this. In Mongolia and China, there is a very important desert, that is Gobi Desert. Next question. This is the right answer. Who is the current Central Information Commissioner? Central Information Commissioner. So current CIC. It is known as CIC. CIC, Central Information Commissioner, that is Uday Mahurkar. Uday Mahurkar. Central Information Commissioner is what is it is related to RTI Act, Right to Information Act, that came in the year of 2005. B is the right answer. Who became the youngest champion in Miami Open? So this sport is related to tennis. First you have to remember this, Miami Open. So the Miami Open is won by Carlos Alcaraz. And Carlos Alcaraz is Spanish player. And what is the capital of Spain? Spain capital is Madrid. And Rafael Nadal is the player of Spain, and he has won the maximum number of Grand Slam, that is 21. He is at number 1 right now in terms of Grand Slam. Which country launched the world's largest electric cruise ship? So the country is China. China's capital is Beijing. Japan capital is Tokyo. USA capital is Washington DC. Russia capital is Moscow. So, and in China and Mongolia there is a desert, that is Gobi Desert. ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2022 was won by. So ICC Women's Cricket World Cup won by Australia. Australia has won this 7th time. 7th time Australia has won this. So you can imagine Australia is the king of cricket in women's cricket. Australia has won this in 7th time. And who defeated Australia? Australia defeated which country? Australia defeated England in the final. Every year, Gangor festival is celebrated by the people of which is this? It's a 5-day festival. So Gangor festival is celebrated by the people of Rajasthan in Udaipur district. And Rajasthan is the largest district. Who is the governor of Rajasthan? Kalraj Mishra. KM Kalraj Mishra. Ashok Gehlot is the chief minister. In Rajasthan, there is a very important nuclear power plant, that is Rawat Bhata. And Ranthambore National Park. National Park is located in Rajasthan. Next question. Sher Bahadur Deuba is the current Prime Minister. Sher Bahadur Deuba is the current Prime Minister of Nepal. Indian neighbor country, Nepal. What is the capital of Nepal? Kathmandu. In Kathmandu, you will find the headquarters of SAARC, South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. 8 members countries are there in SAARC. And world's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is located in Nepal. In Nepal, it is known as Sagarmatha. M-A-T-H-A. Sagarmatha. Next question. Students, very important information for you. We will start the foundation batch for RIMC for the December session. So this is the very special batch. We will cover all of the syllabus through live classes. You can join this, and demo session is going on. Very limited sheets are there, so you can take demo, and from 10th June the batch will be started. So avail this batch if you want to crack the RIMC exam of the month of December, because RIMC exam means a job exam, a future secure exam. If you want to secure, you have to take every chance. You cannot rely on one source of education. Like if you are taking a physical education, you cannot rely on completely that. You have to take every chance, because one vacancy is there from each state. So you can enroll this. This is a very perfect batch. This will provide everything. This will This will provide a very special education related to RIMC exam that is going to be held in December. Who has been selected for Saraswati Samman 2021? Very important question, very important, most important question of today's video. So the correct answer is Ramdas Mishra. Ramdas Mishra. And Saraswati Samman is given by KK Birla Foundation. KK Birla Foundation. KK Birla Foundation. It is given in Hindi literature. Saraswati Samman Hindi literature, and it was instituted in 1991. Cash prize of 15 lakh and a plaque. And Ramdas Mishra was born in Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh. And for what is the name of the poem? This is very important. The name is मैं तो यहाँ हूँ, collection of poem. Ramdas Mishra won this prize for the collection of poem that is मैं तो यहाँ हूँ. Next question. Each year 7th April is celebrated as, so 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day. World Health Day. And what is the theme? Theme is Our Planet, Our Health. Theme for the year 2022 is Our Planet, Our Health. And why do we celebrate World Health Day on 7th April? Because on 7th April 1948, 7th April 1948, WHO, World Health Organization was established. WHO was founded on 7th April 1948. As per Forbes Billionaire 2022 ranking, who is the richest person in the world? So at present, for the year 2022, who is the richest person? Richest person is Elon Musk. Correct answer is Elon Musk. And who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is the founder of SpaceX, chairman of SpaceX, and Tesla, electric car making company Tesla, 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 electric car making company Tesla, and SpaceX. Is the chairman of who is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is Amazon founder, Amazon e-commerce company, Amazon founder. And Mukesh Ambani, Reliance chairman. And who in India, who is number one? In India, Mukesh Ambani is number one. Overall, in the whole of the world, Elon Musk is number one. In India, Mukesh Ambani is number one. And what is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world? 10th. Mukesh Ambani is 10th in the world. Jeff Bezos, Amazon founder, is number 2. Has been ranked first among the states with the lowest unemployment rate. Means the people who are living in this state, they have the lowest unemployment rate. Means they have a very they have a good employment. They are working in a good condition. They have a very good employment rate. So the correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the lowest employment rate. And which state has the highest employment rate? Yes, you have to remember this, Haryana. Haryana's people are very highly unemployed. So highest unemployment rate is in Haryana, lowest is in Chhattisgarh. And what is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur. Naya Raipur, New Raipur. And who is the governor? Anu, ANU, Anusuya Ukai, UKIYE. Spelling you can, there is a mistake in spelling. Anusuya Ukai. And who is the governor, who is the chief minister of Chhattisgarh? Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel is the governor of, chief minister of Chhattisgarh. And Anusuya Uki is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Sariska Tiger Reserve is situated in which state? So Sariska Tiger Reserve is situated in Rajasthan. Rajasthan governor is Kalraj Mishra. Ashok Gehlot is the chief minister. And there is a tiger. There was a wildlife sanctuary. There was a wildlife sanctuary that was converted in tiger reserve. That is Ram Vishdari Wildlife Sanctuary. That was converted in tiger reserve recently. C is the right answer. Forest Research Institute is located in which city? So Forest Research Institute is located in Dehradun. Correct answer is Dehradun, the capital city of Uttarakhand. There are two capitals of Uttarakhand. One is Dehradun, one is Gairsand. Gairsand is summer capital, Dehradun is winter capital. And who is the director? Who is the new director of? Who is the present director of FRI? Renu Singh, Dr. Renu Singh. You have to remember this name. Who is the chief of Forest Research Institute? Dr. Renu Singh. And FRI was instituted in 1906. 1906 has become the first country in the world to give legal rights to wild animals. So the country is Ecuador. The country is Ecuador, and Ecuador is Quito. Quito is the capital of Ecuador. Next question. Utkal Divas is celebrated at the foundation day of which state? So Utkal Divas is celebrated at the foundation day of Odisha. Odisha, because Odisha was established on 1st April 1936. 1st April 1936. And who is the governor of Odisha? Ganeshi Lal. Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha, and Naveen Patnaik is the chief minister of Odisha. And there is an important zoological park, Nandankanan Zoological Park. Nandankanan Zoological Park is located in Odisha, and Chilka Lake, very important lake, Chilka Lake is also present in Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park is also in Odisha. World Autism Awareness Day is observed on. So the correct answer is April 2. The correct answer is April 2. And what is autism? Autism is a development disorder. This disorder is characterized by social interaction. You will face a difficulty in social interaction. Repetitive behavior. You will notice repetitive behavior. You are repeating a thing again and again. This type of behavior you will notice in autism. So there is a mental disorder, and social as well as mental disorder. What is the theme? Inclusive quality education for all. The correct the theme is inclusive quality education for all. Fast and secure transmission of electronic records. Faster is a digital app, digital platform. Fast and secure transmission of electronic records. This is the full form. Fast and secured transmission of electronic records. Faster is a digital platform. It is launched by Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India. And who is the current Chief Justice of India? N.V. Ramanna. N.V. Ramanna is the current Chief Justice of India. And who was the first Chief Justice of Indian Supreme Court? Supreme Court of India. That is H.J. Kania. H.J. Kania was the first Chief Justice of our Supreme Court of India, and who was the first woman who was the judge in Supreme Court. That is Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi. We have to remember this name. Is said to become the first state in India to impart medical education in Hindi medium. So the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. And there is an important festival in Madhya Pradesh that is celebrated, Mandu festival. Mandu and Matki. And there is a tiger reserve, Kanha Tiger Reserve, from which Rudyard Kipling got inspiration and wrote a book, Jungle Book. Rudyard Kipling got inspiration from Kanha National Park that is located in Madhya Pradesh, and wrote a book, Jungle Book, was written by Rudyard Kipling. India's first ever snow marathon was held at which place? So the correct answer is Lahaul Spiti. And where is Lahaul Spiti? Lahaul Spiti is located in Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital. Gianni Infantino has been recently re-elected. As president of FIFA. And where is the headquarters of FIFA? FIFA is headquartered in Zurich. Zurich is located in Zurich is the city of Switzerland, and FIFA is a body that regulated the games of football. See the right answer. Name the digital platform where anyone can visit or do darshan of for 12 Jyotirlinga and 4 Dham from any location. So that is Temple 360. Temple 360 is a platform. Okay. Khelo India University Game 2021. Due to Corona, the game could not happen. Now the game is going to happen in the state of Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bangalore, and Bangalore is known as Garden City of India. Next question. Reserve Bank of India celebrates its foundation day. So Reserve Bank of India is founded on 1st April 1935. And who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India? Shaktikanta Das. Where is the headquarter of RBI? Mumbai. You have to remember this, Mumbai. Mumbai is the headquarter of RBI. Which state has become the first paperless assembly? So paperless assembly has become by Nagaland. Through a app, eVidhan. Nagaland has launched a app that is National eVidhan. National eVidhan. Complete paperless. Today's burning question or the last question, you have to answer this question in the comment box. Very important question. Which state is the smallest state in India? As you know, the largest state is Rajasthan. But you have to tell the smallest state in the comment box. These are our recorded courses. You can avail test series. And if you like the video, then press the like button, share the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you do so, because when I upload the video you will get notification as soon as possible, and you have to watch the video immediately when I upload the video. If you do late in this, then it will be very difficult for you to remember to memorize all the question near the exam. It is not possible. You will forget the answer and you will mark the wrong answer in the exam. So it is very important to hit the bell icon, because when I will upload the video you will get the notification, you will watch it and you will memorize, you will remember it the question at the spot. So it is so it will be very easy for you to near the exam to remember all the questions if you do it in continuous manner. If you do it at near the exam, then you will not get much benefit from this. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can call on this number. These are our official number. You can WhatsApp also. So student, all the best. Thanks for watching.